Not sure how to use your Sanyo AC Remote? Model number RCS-7HS4E-G. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off button powers your Sanyo AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature, or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. Press the hours button to set or adjust the timer duration in hours. It's used with the timer function to program when the air conditioner should turn on or off automatically. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating, based on room temperature. Press the Econo button to activate energy-saving mode. The air conditioner limits maximum power consumption while maintaining comfortable cooling or heating, helping reduce electricity usage. Fan speed lets you control how strong the air blows. Press it to cycle through low, medium, high, or auto fan levels. Whether you want a soft breeze or powerful cooling, it's just one click away. The flap button controls the opening and closing of air vents or flaps, directing airflow to specific areas of the cabin for optimized comfort. To set the timer for the unit, press the Timer On button to start the on-time sequence. Use the temperature up or down buttons to adjust the desired time for the unit to turn on. Point the remote at the unit and wait 1 second for the Timer On function to activate. For example, if it is currently 3 p.m. and you want the air conditioner to turn on at 5 p.m., set the timer for 2 hours. To set the timer for the unit, press the Timer Off button to start the off time sequence. Use the temperature up or down buttons to adjust the desired time for the unit to turn off. Point the remote at the unit and wait 1 second for the Timer Off function to activate. For example, if it's 10 p.m. and you want the AC to turn off at 12 a.m., you can simply set the timer for 2 hours, and it will automatically stop at midnight. When you press the Cancel button, it clears or stops any preset functions, such as the timer or good sleep mode. This returns the AC to normal operation without the scheduled settings. The ACL button quickly resets the air conditioning settings, restoring the system to its default or balanced state for optimal performance. The Sensor button activates or controls the device's sensors, allowing it to detect motion, temperature, or other conditions. Press the Quiet button to reduce the noise level of your AC. The indoor unit reduces its fan speed and compressor noise to maintain a quieter environment, making it ideal for sleeping, studying, or working without disturbance. Press the LED button to turn the display light on the indoor unit on or off. It's useful at night when you want to reduce brightness without affecting AC performance. Press and hold the temperature down arrow button and the mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your Sanyo AC Remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.